Hi, welcome. I'm George, and this is a continuation of my 100-day art projects. And I'm going to continue working on my funky bird. This is going to be my 51st day. One day more than halfway there. Now I'm using new color twos for the color, but you can use anything you want, like color pencils or uh, color watercolor pencils or watercolor, whatever you want. I'm just using what I have right now. This is kind of part two of the funky bird, but you can use the same techniques that I'm going to be using in this video as far as how to find places where you can add some detail and some more colors. Just have fun. And sorry about the blurriness here. My camera, which is my phone, has a tendency to concentrate on my hand versus what I'm doing with it. While I like to doodle in black and white, I especially like to include colors. So with this, I'm adding a bit more dimension. Eventually, I will be including a bit more color, some contrasting, um, some more harmoniously, and of course, gold. Because who doesn't like a little bit of gold? Here I'm using the 0.3 and I'm going over the line drawing I did with my pencil. Don't worry about following it precisely, it's okay. And vary up the design elements, do whatever you want. Putting a little bit of detail in the flowers and the stems and the leaves. Although when I signed it at the end, I forgot a few of the things that I wanted to include. So at about 2/3 of the way for the video, there's going to be a blank or a black screen. Watch it beyond that, and I'll show you what I forgot to do before I sign it. So I'm going over with my trusted kneaded eraser. I like these erasers because it's general on the paper. And I'm round out some of the lines. I like it to round out. It's give it a sense of completion and more weight, and allows the eye to rest. And don't forget not to have your grip on your pen too tight. That way you're you're not gripping it, and it's not causing your hand to uh, get sore. Just take your time. Now, this video, in order to have me um, upload, because I don't have Wi-Fi yet, because my computer is not working. Um, but in order for me to work within my bandwidth, I have to compress it for the video length. So what I did is I did the voiceover now as opposed to while I'm painting or doodling, and I'm speeding up the video a little bit, not too much. So it's a compromise that I think I can deal with, and still maintain my kind of um, not every day having long videos, but every so often, maybe two a week. Other than that, I'm going to be doing um, shorts. So hopefully you won't hate me when I do a short here and there. So basically, what I've been doing is adding a little bit of color to some of the areas that I want to um, apply a little bit of gold, but you'll see it later on in the video. I like doing these wonky or funky birds. It's they're cool. They were cool, and I I have a bit of fun with it. And yes, now we're going to go in with some gold. Again, sorry about the blurriness. Some gold for the tulips. First this one and then the other one. And if you like my video, if you want to subscribe to it, that would be great. That way you'll be notified when I upload another video. And likewise, if you want to like it, that would be great. That way, YouTube will send it out to more people. Thank you. Now, you can't really tell, maybe, um, uh, that I'm applying a little bit of gold to the wings, or any place actually. Um, but the end result is pretty cool. Sometimes my creativity outpaces my memory. So here's where I signed it, and shortly afterwards, I realized that I forgot some. So I'm going back in, and a little bit of more detail. And a bit more rounding. Rounding is also a way to hide your blemishes where the paint brush went over the line, just as an FYI. And a bit more gold, because who doesn't like a bit more gold? I like the color definition that happens when you apply gold on top of a more or less solid piece of color, like the wings and then the leaves. And I wanted a bit more definition in the body of the bird, so I'm going to go in with a bit of blue. See, a lot better. At least I think so. What do you think? All right, almost done. And I hope you enjoyed the video and got a chance to work and experiment with the water media of your choice. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Oh, and my beak. All right. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.